Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best electronic whisk is probably one of the most underrated kitchen gadgets, transforming tedious manual whisking into a quick, effortless task, perfect for everything from fluffy scrambled eggs and perfectly whipped cream to smooth batters, airy meringues, and frothy lattes, making your culinary adventure significantly more enjoyable and efficient, allowing you to achieve professional results with minimal effort and maximum convenience in your own home kitchen. Number 5. Zulay Kitchen Executive Series Milk Frother Wand. Looking for a thoughtful present? This frother, with its improved stand, makes an ideal gift for any occasion. It helps create delectable, velvety froth for morning coffee, bringing a special touch to any cup. Coffee lovers, get that professional finishing touch for your lattes, cappuccinos, or macchiatos. This powerful tool creates delicious, creamy froth for your drinks at home. Enjoy coffee shop quality without leaving your kitchen. This frother produces creamy, foamy goodness in seconds. Cleaning it is just as simple. Run the whisk under hot water and turn it on briefly. Its compact design, powered by 2 AA batteries, fits neatly in a drawer or on your counter. It's not just for coffee. This versatile tool works wonders for matcha tea, outperforming manual whisks. It's also perfect for mixing protein powdered drinks without needing extra containers. Use it for all your whisking and mixing needs, from shakes to smoothies. Crafted with premium materials, this frother is built to last and guaranteed not to rust or break. It efficiently works with all types of milk, including dairy and non-dairy options like soy, almond, and cashew. You can even use it with other dairy products like cream. We stand by the quality of this milk frother with a lifetime guarantee. You can be confident it will last, and if any issues arise, simply contact us. We are committed to making it right, every time, ensuring your complete satisfaction. What we like? This frother comes with an upgraded, improved stand, making it a perfect gift. If you are looking for a stylish and convenient way to store your frother and want to impress with a thoughtful present, you should consider this one. It offers both elegance and efficiency for your daily coffee ritual. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be selected as per the instructions. Number 4. SIMPLETASTE Handheld Electric Milk Frother. Love your morning coffee filled with froth and foam? This portable device can create a creamy cup within just 15 to 30 seconds. It transforms your beverage instantly. Enjoy creamy froth with one simple press. Just push the power button once to start frothing, with no need to hold it down. Relax your hand and achieve your desired consistency. Its frothing whisk is made of 304 durable stainless steel, ensuring it's completely resistant to rust. The lightweight plastic handle is ergonomically designed for comfortable operation. You'll appreciate its quality construction. This versatile tool isn't just for coffees and cappuccinos. It's also suitable for making hot and cold chocolate, matcha tea, and mixing supplements. You can even use it for whisking eggs and sauces. Powered by 2 AA batteries, you'll never need to worry about cords or plugging into sockets. It comes with a stand for easy countertop display and is compact for neat storage. Take it anywhere you need it. What we like? This handheld frother excels in creating creamy froth quickly with a simple one-press operation. If you value ease of use and a fast frothing experience without holding down a button, this is an excellent choice. It's also versatile for various drinks beyond coffee. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to fulfill the request. Number 3. Hamilton Beach 6-speed hand mixer with storage case. This innovative snap-on storage case keeps all your accessories organized. It neatly holds the beaters and whisk in one easy-to-find place. This design significantly reduces the chance of them getting lost or misplaced. With 6 versatile speed options, plus a quick burst button, it handles every recipe with ease. You'll have the perfect power for any mixing task, from delicate batters to thick doughs. It includes 2 traditional beaters and a whisk, all dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. When you're done, simply press the speed dial to eject the attachments without getting your hands messy. Its 250-watt peak power motor delivers all the strength you need for any mixing job. Whether you're folding in chocolate chips or whipping up fluffy cream, it performs flawlessly. The unique bowl rest feature stabilizes it on the edge of your bowl, freeing your hands. This ensures drips stay in the bowl, keeping your countertop clean and tidy. What we like. This mixer features a unique snap-on storage case, ensuring you never lose your attachments. If you are tired of misplacing beaters and want an organized kitchen, this product is ideal. Its bowl rest feature also adds convenience by preventing drips on your counter. What people say. Number 2. Zulay Milk Boss Frother with titanium motor. Coffee lovers, get ready for professional results. This tool adds the perfect finishing touch to your lattes, cappuccinos, and hot chocolates. Enjoy delicious foamy creamer for your drinks right at home. It's not just for coffee, it works wonders for matcha tea too. This device also effortlessly mixes nutritious protein powder drinks. Say goodbye to extra containers and blenders. Crafted from premium materials, its construction is designed for durability. It works efficiently with all types of milk, from dairy to almond and soy. You can even use it with butter or cream. Cleaning this frother is incredibly fast and simple. Just place its whisk in hot running water and briefly turn it on. Its compact design means it easily fits in a drawer or sits neatly on your counter. We stand by the quality of this product with a lifetime guarantee. If you ever encounter any issues, simply contact us, and we'll make it right. Order with confidence, knowing it will meet your expectations. What we like. This frother boasts an upgraded titanium motor for powerful and efficient frothing. If you prioritize raw power and quick results for rich, creamy foam, this is the one for you. Its compact design also makes it easy to store in a drawer. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted or quoted as per the instructions. Number 1. MuellerLiving Ultra Stick Immersion Hand Blender. Tired of uneven textures in your food? This slim yet powerful immersion blender quickly mixes, blends, whisks, and froths, ensuring smooth results every time. It's designed to make your kitchen tasks effortless. This versatile tool comes with detachable accessories to tackle a variety of recipes. From delicious smoothies and fluffy whipped cream to perfectly beaten eggs, it handles it all with ease. It includes a stainless steel blending shaft for soups and baby food, a frother for all your milk types, and a whisk for whipping cream or batters. These 3 easy attachments make it incredibly adaptable. Experience enhanced power with its turbo mode, perfect for tougher ingredients. Its ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures comfortable use, while the blade housing minimizes splashes for a cleaner kitchen. Using it is incredibly straightforward. Simply attach your desired accessory, plug it in, submerge the blade, and blend, adjusting the speed as needed. You'll be creating culinary delights in no time. Cleaning up after cooking is often a chore, but not with this device. Its blending shaft, whisk, and frother are all dishwasher safe, making maintenance incredibly simple. What we like. This is a versatile immersion blender with a powerful 500W motor and 8-speed turbo setting. If you need a multifunctional tool that can blend, whisk, and froth with robust power, you should consider this option. Its included attachments make it suitable for a wide range of kitchen tasks. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.